What if I told you there's an AI that's completely free and has 8 times more memory than ChatGPT? China just released Qwen 3, and it has 256,000 token context, while ChatGPT maxes out at 32,000. I fed it my entire website, and it remembered everything perfectly. While you're paying $20 a month for ChatGPT, this thing costs absolutely nothing. I'm about to show you test results that will blow your mind. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. And today we're talking about something huge. China just released Qwen 3, and it's making waves everywhere. This isn't just another AI model. This thing is beating some of the best paid models out there for free. So what exactly is Qwen 3? It's Alibaba's newest AI model that came out in April 2025. But here's the crazy part. They just updated it in July, and now it's even better. This thing comes in 6 different sizes. The smallest one has 600 million parameters. The biggest one, 235 billion parameters with 22 billion active at once. That's massive. But wait, it gets better. They trained this thing on 36 trillion tokens. That's 3 times more data than their last model. 3 times. Most companies can't even dream of that much data. And here's what blew my mind. This thing speaks 119 languages, not just English, not just Chinese, 119 different languages and dialects. That's insane. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. Qwen 3 has something called hybrid reasoning. What does that mean? You can switch between 2 modes. Fast mode for simple stuff, slow thinking mode for hard problems. It's like having 2 different brains in one model. The thinking mode works step by step, just like how you'd solve a math problem. First this, then that, then the answer. But the fast mode just gives you answers right away. Actually, they just split these into 2 separate versions. One called Instruct for Fast Answers, one called Thinking for Deep Problems. So now you get the best of both worlds. Okay, let's talk numbers, because this is where Qwen 3 really shows off. On MMLU Pro, which tests general knowledge, Qwen 3 scored 83%. Their old model, only 75.2%. That's a huge jump. But wait, there's more. On GPQA, which tests factual questions, they improved by 15 to 20 points. That's not a small improvement, that's crushing the competition. And coding, oh man, the coding results are wild. On Live Code Bench, they went from 32.9% to 51.8%. That's almost double. Math and logic problems, they more than doubled their scores on AM25 and IRC-AGI. More than doubled. Here's the kicker. The report says Qwen 3 now beats Claude 4's non-reasoning mode. Let me say that again. A free model is beating a paid model that costs money. You know what most people don't talk about? Context windows. That's how much text the AI can remember at once. Most AIs can handle maybe 30,000 tokens. Some go up to 128,000 if you're lucky. Qwen 3, 256,000 tokens natively, and they can extend it to 1 million tokens. What does that mean for you? You can feed it entire books, huge documents, massive code bases, and it remembers everything. Everything. This is huge for SEO work. You can analyze entire websites, compare multiple competitor sites, process massive keyword lists all at once. Here's what makes this really special. Qwen 3 is completely open source, Apache 2.0 license. That means you can download it, run it on your own computers, modify it however you want for free, no monthly fees, no API costs, no usage limits. You own it completely. Compare that to Claude 4. Opus costs $15 for input and $75 for output per million tokens. OpenAI's O3, around $20 per month plus usage fees, and they can change prices anytime they want. With Qwen 3, you download it once and it's yours forever. That's a game changer for businesses. But wait, there's even more. They made a special version just for coding called Qwen 3 Coder. This thing is built specifically to write code. It has 480 billion parameters total with 35 billion active, and that same massive 256,000 token context window. Perfect for huge coding projects. Chinese reports say this thing can build entire websites in 5 minutes. 5 minutes, brand websites, landing pages, full applications, that fast. And the test results? It matches Claude 4 on coding benchmarks. A free model matching the best paid coding model out there. That's incredible. Let me show you how Qwen 3 actually performs on real tasks. I ran several prompts through Qwen 3 to see how it handles real SEO and business tasks. Generate engaging homepage copy with headings, subheadings, short paragraphs for a website selling eco-friendly water bottles, include a call to action. The results were impressive. Qwen 3 created catchy headlines like drink clean, live green, and persuasive copy that actually sounded human. The call to action was clear and compelling. This is where that improved creative writing really shows. Third test. Write HTML and CSS to create a simple, responsive landing page with a header, image banner, and two-column text section. This is where Qwen 3 Coder really shines. It generated clean, modern HTML with proper semantic markup. The CSS used modern flexbox layouts. Everything was responsive, the kind of code you'd actually want to use on a real website. Fourth test. Write JavaScript code for a web form that validates an email input and shows an alert on submit. Perfect. It handled DOM events correctly, used proper regex for email validation, added event listeners the right way. No buggy code that breaks when you actually try to use it. Fifth test. Create an SEO-friendly product description, about 100 words for noise-cancelling headphones, using keywords over-ear, wireless, long battery life. Qwen 3 wove the keywords in naturally, while highlighting the key features. It sounded like marketing copy a human would write, not robotic at all. Sixth test. Explain blockchain technology in simple terms, then tell a short metaphorical story about it. This tested its ability to switch styles. First, it gave a clear technical explanation, then it told a creative story comparing blockchain to a public ledger that everyone can see but no one can erase. Perfect transition between modes. Last test. Generate JSON LD schema markup for a local restaurant with name, address, rating, type of cuisine. It output perfect schema.org markup that Google would love, all the right fields, proper formatting, ready to copy and paste into a website. The results blew me away. This thing handles real-world tasks as well as the paid models I've used. The response to Qwen 3 has been crazy. In China, the tech media is calling it a breakthrough. Sina Finance says it significantly improves general capabilities and exceeds leading open models and even Claude Opus 4. Chinese developers are excited that finally there's an open model on par with Claude that they can actually use and modify. In the West, VentureBeat notes that Qwen 3 improves reasoning and factual accuracy and outperforms Claude Opus 4's non-thinking mode. On social media, AI experts are actively testing it. Many are praising its reasoning depth and the fact that it's completely open. Some people are cautious about enterprise support and maturity, but most agree that Alibaba's transparency with open benchmarks and code is refreshing. Let's talk about what this means for your business, because this isn't just about cool technology, this is about money. First, cost savings. Instead of paying monthly fees to OpenAI or Anthropic, you can run Qwen 3 for free. That's hundreds or thousands of dollars saved every month. Second, privacy. Your data stays on your servers. No sending sensitive information to third-party APIs, complete control over your data. Third, customization. You can fine-tune Qwen 3 for your specific industry. Train it on your company data, make it speak like your brand. Fourth, reliability. No API downtime, no rate limits, no sudden price changes. You control everything. For SEO specifically, Qwen 3 is a monster. That 256,000 token context window changes everything. You can analyze entire competitor websites in one go, compare multiple sites side by side, process massive keyword research files, content creation becomes easier, feed it your entire content strategy, brand guidelines, and target keywords. It remembers everything and keeps consistency across all your content. Technical SEO audits become automatic, feed it your entire website structure, and it can spot issues across hundreds of pages at once. Link building outreach becomes personalized at scale. It can read entire websites and craft personalized outreach that actually works. Now let's be honest about the downsides, because nothing is perfect. First, you need decent hardware to run the big models locally. The 235 billion parameter version needs serious GPUs, though they do offer smaller versions that run on normal computers. Second, it's newer than Claude and GPT. Less testing in real-world scenarios. Fewer integrations with existing tools. Third, support is mainly in Chinese. Though the model itself works great in English, getting help might be harder. Fourth, no official API from Alibaba in many countries. You'd need to use community APIs or run it yourself. For enterprises, this is huge. Many companies can't use Claude or GPT because of data privacy rules. All their data goes through external APIs. With Qwen 3, everything stays internal. No data leaves your network. Perfect for banks, healthcare, government, anyone with strict privacy needs. Plus, you can modify it for your specific needs. Train it on your industry jargon, your company processes, your customer data. Make it truly yours. For small businesses, this levels the playing field. Previously, advanced AI was expensive, monthly subscriptions, usage fees, cost added up quickly. Now you can get similar capabilities for free. That's a game changer for small agencies, freelancers, and startups. You can offer AI-powered services to clients without worrying about variable costs, build AI into your products without ongoing fees. It democratizes access to advanced AI technology. Here's what matters. Qwen 3 is free, powerful, and getting better fast. It can handle most tasks as well as paid alternatives. For many use cases, is good enough to replace expensive alternatives. That saves money and gives you more control. The open source nature means it'll keep improving as the community contributes. No single company controls its development. It's not perfect, nothing is, but it's a viable alternative to expensive closed models. And competition is good for everyone. It drives innovation and keeps prices reasonable. Alright, that's the full breakdown of China's new Qwen 3 AI update and how it compares to Claude 4 and OpenAI's O3. This technology is moving so fast it's hard to keep up. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and learn how to use AI to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds of hours with automation, you need to check out my AI Profit Boardroom. It's the best place to learn how to use AI to grow your business faster. The link is in the description. If you want to master SEO in this new AI world, check out the SEO Elite Circle. It's where the top SEO professionals share their latest strategies and results. Link is in the comments and description. If you want a custom SEO strategy for your business, book a free SEO strategy session with my team. We'll analyze your current situation and show you exactly how to dominate AI mode. Link is in the comments and description. And if you want to learn AI SEO for free, I've got a complete course plus a community with 3,600 AI SEO experts and over 50 free AI SEO tools. Link is in the comments and description. The GPT-5 revolution is coming whether you're ready or not. The question is, will you be leading the charge or getting left behind? The choice is yours. But choose fast, because this opportunity window won't stay open forever. Let me know in the comments what you think about these GPT-5 leaks. Are you excited? Are you worried? Are you ready? And make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell, because when GPT-5 officially launches, you'll want to be the first to know how to use it to grow your business. The future is coming fast. Let's make sure you're ready for it. Make sure to subscribe for more AI updates, and let me know in the comments what you think about Qwen 3. Are you going to try it? What excites you most about open source AI? Julian reads every comment, so drop your thoughts below.